I'm Reshma Bombewala. I am a former model. I modeled through some amazing golden years of the fashion industry back in the 90s and the 2000s. A time where solo shows were brilliant and was the way and the norm to go. I have worked with some really amazing fashion designers and choreographers, which I'm very proud of and honored to have been part of.
Over the years, the fashion industry, you are there since about more than 25 years. So the fashion industry has evolved. So can you give a brief journey as to what was the good points about that time and how it has changed, and how you have changed yourself over the years?
I think the Indian fashion industry, first of all, I think there's one half is the regular clothes, and then the second half, I think, is the wedding shows that happen, because that's such a big part of our culture. Back then, there were some really amazing designers that came out with some really beautiful clothes. We have some even bigger designers now, is people like Sabyasachi, Tarun, who's been there from then. Sabyasachi he's taken the Indian fashion industry to a whole new level. Aspirations that all new designers should, take a whole lot of notes from. As far as the changing trends, we're moving towards a world where sustainability, recycling, reusing, upscaling, changing the outfit, wearing it to different things, has become an important feature. I think this is something designers that are graduating now should keep in mind for sure going forward.
एक तो आफ्टर कोविड ये फर्स्ट लाइव शो हो रहा है तो काफ़ी टाइमों के बाद, आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट 2 इयर्स. सो काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ उसके लिए और लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड के लाइव शो देखने को मिला है बॉम्बे में आफ्टर 2 इयर्स के पास, बिकॉज बॉम्बे के बाहर तो लाइव शोज़ हो रहे हैं क्योंकि बॉम्बे में ज़रा रेस्ट्रिक्शन की वजह से, कोविड की वजह से नहीं हो रहे थे. एंड आई एम एक्साइटेड. और ये मेरा सेकेंड ईयर है सस्मिरा का एनुअल शो जज करने का. एंड टैलेंट्स लास्ट ईयर भी काफ़ी अच्छे थे, लाइक इंस्पिरेशन मिला हमको भी स्टूडेंट लोग से. एंड दिस ईयर ऑल्सो आई लुक फॉरवर्ड के क्रिएशन और उत्साह और न्यू कुछ क्रिएटिविटी मिली हमको और इंडस्ट्री पे न्यू टैलेंट्स का लॉन्च कर सकें.
I am Mihir Mehta. I am Vice President of Saspira. Saspira is a very old and reputed institute of Mumbai city. We are there since almost 65 years and we are one of the recognized textile institutes, not only in India but all over the world. We have more than 40,000 alumni and students who are there in very high positions in industry and trade, not in Indian industry as well as international industry. We are part of the fashion show today for our fashion students. It's called Enchante. That's the theme of the show, and the theme is art decoded. Our students have interpreted old art and modern art in their own way as an expression by bringing it to clothes and fashion clothes as such. It's an extremely new theme. It's going to be an exciting theme. Our students, faculty and the entire team have worked extremely hard to give a fantastic show for all of you. Please enjoy the show. Please recognize the talent in our students and please also recognize Saspira. Thank you so much.
पैंडेमिक के बाद आपका जो इंस्टीट्यूट है किस तरह से प्लान किया है सब प्रोग्राम उसके बाद?
Pandemic by itself has been an extremely great learning experience for everybody concerned, and our team has geared up very well for online training, online teaching. Even the practicals are being done online, and for some practicals the students were called but with due care taken for to see that they were not affected at all. Our students by itself are very focused, very extremely hard work, And our faculty is trying to train them not only in garments and fashion, but also about textiles, about weaves, or fabrics, yarns, filaments. So our students, once they come into industry, they are going to be all-round professionals.
Neeta Ganguly, and I'm very happy that this is happening today, Sasmira, SIDT, the fashion show finally, and I'm sure actually that this has been quite a challenging effort for all, and क्योंकि ये बहुत अभी I think last year के बाद after the pandemic, or we are still not over with the pandemic, and we are having this at a physical in-person level. So ज़रूर बहुत ही challenges आए होंगे, but amongst the students, the faculty and everyone, the whole team, and I would actually wish them all the best, and I'm very excited actually to be here today. My association with Sasmira has been for almost more than 6 years. It's been a beautiful journey.
Neeta, you are a fashion designer and you are also an academician.
Yes.
So, being an academician, could you tell what are the future trends that you are having in mind for training the students?
The main thing would be, the lot of things that are moving onto the digital platform have already moved onto the digital platform from the physical level, and I think today's children actually are born in the age of the tech age. So they are already born with the passion and the interest towards technology.
Krishnendu Datta. I am the Dean of Sasmira's Institute of Design and Textiles. I am heading the entire department where fashion, textile designing, apparel merchandising and various other full-time and part-time courses are there in this thing. We also have a degree course from Mumbai University in fashion designing as well as one in textile designing.
Since how long are you there in this industry?
I have been here in the industry since the last 25 years. Okay, and rather than me, I would like to tell about the Sasmira's Institute of Design and Textiles. We are the only college in Maharashtra which is offering the degree program in fashion designing and textile designing in collaboration with the University of Mumbai. No other colleges have. So we are a pioneer in that sense. Okay, offering the degree in fashion designing and textile designing.
कितने वैरायटीज के कोर्सेज हैं जिसमें आप
हम लोगों का बेसिक 3 भाग में है. एक तो फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग का कोर्स है, एक है टेक्सटाइल डिज़ाइनिंग का कोर्स है और एक है अपैरल मर्चेंडाइजिंग का. इसमें फुल टाइम कोर्सेज भी है और पार्ट टाइम कोर्सेज भी है, इंडस्ट्री ओरिएंटेड कोर्सेज भी है अपने.
जो नए बच्चे आना चाहते हैं इस फील्ड में उनके लिए क्या आप कर सकते हैं?
देखो, एक तो द फ्यूचर इज एक्सट्रीमली ब्राइट फॉर द फैशन एंड द मर्चेंडाइजिंग इंडस्ट्री. You will understand that everybody requires garment. Everybody wants to look good. It will never die, be pandemic or not. People are just waiting to.
My name is Lokesh Karikar. I am a visual artist, and I think this show is very important because I think we are celebrating the artist, and these artists saw the world in a very different way. So I think so I'm like really excited to see what will be the show like.
के बारे में बताइए, किस टाइप से आप आज के इवेंट के बारे में कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहे हैं, किस टाइप की आज के प्रोग्राम?
Acha. So I think I am very excited for this show to see how the fashion designers will come up with the ideas and curate the whole art decoded concept in the ramp. So I think.
Is this voice pitch fine? Alright. Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Priyanka Bedgeri, course coordinator of design department at SIDT. I welcome all of you here for the show today. Thank you for joining us.
Regarding the course design, how do you make the course design? How do you relate to the industry and how fast do you implement it? Because you need feedback from the industry. The same thing has to be taught because we have a gap in our students. They are not up to the mark.
Yes, so we ensure.
I'm Krina Parekh from BSc FT from Sasmira College, and today is our fashion show. So the whole journey of fashion show has been very interesting. The mentors have trained us so well, and the whole journey has been so enjoying also, and we have learned a lot from this whole fashion show this year. Apart from such a pandemic, we have been these people, the mentors have been able to come up with such good facilities for us for such big huge fashion show over here, so we are very thankful for that as well.
Mumbai, madam.
Hello everybody, I'm Shilpa Borkar, Placement Officer at University of Mumbai's Garware Institute of Career Education and Development.
Sir, could you share about your courses? What is the need of the industry, and what are the courses you are trying, you're training on, and how do you bridge the gap?
Actually, let me first say that it's my privilege to be here, and I'm very happy to say that the Sasmira Institute and the Gadore Institute, we have come together and started this particular course. Actually, this particular course was started in the year 2017, and it is very much need of the hour because the fashion design is not something new which is going on. If you look at our history, it starts right in the era when the chaos like Ellora and Ajanta were going on. There you can see this matching combination, and it is very apt now that we have come up with this kind of particular course.
This is my 12th year.
Wow.
So yeah, it's been very long. I started when I was, अभी मैं बता दूंगी कि मैंने started फिर मेरा age पता चल जाएगा, which is not a good thing to ask, but let me tell you, I started when I was 21. So yeah, the journey has been long and extremely good.
Over the years, what changes have you seen, and where do you see the future of the industry?
You know, over the years is too far. I am talking about this industry changes every 6 monthly, I feel, because I had to take a sabbatical for 2 years because of my health, and I was off the industry for a good 1.5 to 2 years. And when I came back, everything here was changed. Right from the format of shows to fashion shows to how events worked and everything. And that's where I realized that when you're in it, you don't know what the change is. But when you leave it for a while and come back, you know exactly how much has changed. So yeah, it is a constant. It's just like how you say, where creative people have constant creativity and things are changing for them. Exactly how our industry works is what I feel.
Parents probably know me better, and kids know me the best. I own the largest chain of kids play area in Maharashtra, second in the country. It's called Bacha Party Indoor Playscape. I've become like a lady Santa Claus in Mumbai, from Thane to Malad, Powai, Parla, where all my outlets are. Everybody probably recognizes me because of that. And yes, so I'm known as the Bacha Party lady right now, and it's a pleasure being known as the same. So much of love from the parents and the kids, so it's amazing.
A lot of good television work I've done, and currently also I have a big show on air for Star Prava and Disney Plus Hotstar. It's called Nave Lakshya, where I play the central role. And I love doing different things. जैसे कि this also interests me a lot of fashion and coming and encouraging people. क्योंकि एक वक्त था जब मैं स्टूडेंट था, तब कुछ जजेस आते थे हमारे कॉलेज में हमारे इवेंट्स के लिए और हमें encourage करते थे. उनके encouragement की वजह से हम आज यहाँ हैं. तो जब भी मौका मिलता है कि जहाँ पर जाकर आप एक अच्छा शो देख सकें, कुछ नए लोगों को encourage कर सकें. So I'm here, and I'm also here for my friends Shai, Lobo and Namrata. So that's about it.
It's a beautiful fashion show. I've heard a lot about it, और this is the first time I'm coming here. और बस मैं यहाँ आया हूँ. I'm just here to motivate the students. जितने भी students हैं उनको मैं मेरे कुछ incidents, मेरी journey, मेरा जो path जो रहा है, मैं किस हिसाब से उनको inspire कर सकता हूँ. बस it's all about that, and it's going to be a great event, I'm sure. And looking forward to it यार. बस अंदर जाके मेरी
सर ये फैशन शो वगैरह में ये आई थिंक मेरा सेकंड चांसेस है, मतलब आने के लिए आज मौका मिला है. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, और ऐसा सिचुएशन में आने के लिए इतना मौका नहीं मिलता है हम लोगों को. हम तो म्यूजिशियन हैं, सिंगर्स लोग हैं, तो बहुत ही मतलब भाग्य की बात है, बोलते हैं ना, वो किस्मत की बात है. अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके. और
आपका नया एल्बम आ रहा है एल्बम, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
सर वो एल्बम नहीं है, वो फिल्म है, कल ही रिलीज.
आप देख रहे हैं सक्षम न्यूज इंडिया, सबसे पहले सबसे तेज.